Okay, quick unboxing video for Crystal. First, you've got box within a box, so that's good. Let's take out those corners and get a knife. Get your shelf separated from the rest of the cabinet. Makes life a little bit easier. Heavy duty cardboard for the corners, so it's great. Shelves, foam wrap, and cabinet. So I would say these guys probably have the best packaging I've seen, or at least one of the best packaging I've seen. Right there on at the top with Crystal, with Plato, those guys. Yeah, can't really complain at all with this kind of packaging. If there's damage in transit, which I know still happens sometimes, but more than likely someone dropped that box if that happened, or something was not carefully stacked in the cargo, which, you know, if you're going on in a semi truck with giant potholes and this was to take a little bounce, I mean, these cabinets are heavy and they're well protected, but those those movements can crack your cabinet box, so they're fragile and heavy. Yeah, hopefully this is helpful for somebody out there. Thanks.